Hey guys, Coach here with this week's plan of the week. Take a look at this. SunKiss Coreopsis, tick seed. One of the hybrids that are out there caught my eye when I was walking through the nursery, which really isn't too hard for Coach. His eye tends to wander pretty bad in a nursery. Hey, not too big either. Somewhere around 18 to 20 inches or so, plus or minus. Full sun, dawn to dusk. Loves to be deadheaded. Let me repeat that. Coreopsis love to be deadheaded, and they will keep flushing and flushing and flushing color all spring and all summer into mid-fall before it starts to really tire out. Then it'll die down to the ground. Let it go to sleep for the winter. It'll come back up next year. A perennial that's good for 5 to 7 years minimum, and then really works well if you divide it. Take another piece, put it somewhere else. SunKiss Coreopsis. This one here will brighten any yard and is great for tucking into larger beds or making a taller border in the front for a foundation bed or even in containers. Responds really well to organic fertilizer or half-strength synthetic liquid fertilizers. Don't overdo it though, because they do not like heavy doses of fertilizer, I have found. And as far as water, once established, once, twice a week, depending on your situation, maybe 3 times a week when you're first getting going, and that's about it. SunKiss Coreopsis, ask for it or look for it at your local nursery. And if you got any questions, throw them in the comments below. Don't forget Homescape 2.0. It is out. It is discounted till August 20th, 2025. Check it out over on the website, youryardcoach.com. Guys, I'll catch you on the channel as always to your landscape success. Bye for now.